Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai property title or Thai real estate title, and we are discussing it in the context of the Norsor Sam. Now, it should be understood this is the Norsor 3, the number 3 if you want to look at it that way. And it is different from the Norsor Samkor. And the reason for this is a Norsor Sam property is not going to have yet to be measured. So the metes and bounds of the property have yet to be delineated. And this makes a big difference because a Norsor Samkor can, which has been measured, one can then petition to have that type of property title converted over into a Shinote title, which is freehold title here in Thailand. A Norsor Sam, that's not the case. It has yet to be measured, so the boundaries are not delineated, and for that reason, it is not possible to directly petition for a Shinote or freehold title. So one has to deal with the boundaries first and then convert into Norsor Samkor classification and then convert over to a Shinote if that is the ultimate goal. But long story short is this is a type of property title. There is right to use associated with this type of property title, but it is not the same, and it is substantially dissimilar, especially from freehold title as well as the Norsor Samkor, which delineates boundaries, because it's not 100% clear exactly where one's property ends and another person's property begins. So a Norsor Sam that may abut, for example, a Shinote title, yeah, you may know one boundary for certain, just by dint of the fact that you can use sort of deductive reasoning in knowing what the boundary of that Shinote title is. But if you have the other three boundaries are undelineated, well then you do not necessarily have any idea of exactly where those boundaries end. And if you don't know where the boundaries end, you can't get a Norsor Samkor and then go ahead and get freehold title, which is sort of the ultimate prize for anyone owning property in Thailand, because you need that in order to be able to fully enjoy one's property, fully encumber the property if you need to, as well as fully alienate the property. So the Norsor Sam, it's out there. Something I see foreigners get into trouble with is they'll try to buy or lease property in one of these, for lack of a better term, lower classifications, one of these sort of less delineated boundary classifications, and a lot of the instruments associated with, for example, leasing such property or mortgaging such property may not be overly useful when compared to, for example, a Shinote title, wherein full encumbrance and full benefits to the property owner can be conferred or alienated or sold off. And for this reason, due diligence is really important if you're looking at getting into Thai real estate, even if it's someone who is looking to purchase property with one's spouse. Conducting due diligence is a really good idea so that you understand exactly what your property rights are, and in certain cases, if or where the property lines are delineated.